Okay, let's actually move our function inside the script. I made this tutorial for the .py script. Let's open it in a nano. So you see I just defined a function here, put print inside, that's it. So let's try to call this function. Python tutorial for .py. You see nothing is happening. Why nothing is happening? Well, as I mentioned previously, you actually just defined your function. You see it over here. You just defined it. And Python said, okay, I will remember it. And you never said to Python, execute this function for me. So for that, again, you need to use the name of the function, my function, and then braces. Again, save the result, exit nano, and call your script again. And you see now that the results are printed out. So these braces behind the function, they are actually letting Python know that my function is a function and it's not just a variable. And also it asks Python to execute it with these braces. Now let's make our function a bit more complicated. Actually, let's try to write another function instead of this one. Let's try define calculate square. And let's put some value inside our function. Whenever you put something inside these braces, you call it argument, or you can call it also a parameter. So again, I'm using tab square equals a multiplied by a, and then you say print square. So we rename the function, we should call the new one calculate square. So let's try to run it now. What we see here is an error message from Python, and it says calculate square takes exactly one argument, 0 given. So let's go inside the script again and see what's happening. Basically, this a argument is defined in the function, but we didn't provide it over here, so that is why Python throwing this error message. So we just put some numeric value like 3, and basically it will just multiply 3 by 3 and print out the result. Execute it again, and see that the result is now 9. That is what we expected to see, right?